Ray, how much did you cut? Be honest. Oh my God. Look at it and squint. It's kind of like a 10-footer.
So another last minute bill, huh?
That car's in like 7 pieces.
Yeah, that's not the shape I expected it to be in.
Okay, this is the moment of truth. I think we're further back than we thought. In today's video, I'm gonna show you where the Honda S2000 has been because it's been gone for about 3 months. And last time you saw it, we were wide bodying it. And now it seems to be in more pieces than before. So we're heading to Green Bay to go pick it up, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the story as to why this car has taken so long. And no, it wasn't planned. Lars, why does every roundabout have to be like we're going through Road America?
Why can't your car's in there?
Yeah?
Your bumper's not on.
Yeah, listen, we're figuring it out. We're figuring it out. I'm really hoping that this car is ready for me. It doesn't look ready at all. It doesn't look ready at all.
Come in here with the camera right away?
Yeah, Ray,
All rolling around in the dirt?
what do you do? Why is that here?
Because those are special peeps.
I've heard they're unique.
Oh, they're-
One size is different size than the other side.
That
you
is
know
very
what I'm
much
saying?
the truth.
I personally think it looks pretty much done. The K truck though, that thing is dope. That thing looks done. Bro, this thing is clean on the Koenigs and the not real Brembos, but that's all right.
Everything fits interesting. The fenders from one side to the other, like there's a bolt that runs down the headlight here. I just gotta get the wheel turned out of the way.
So this car has been an absolute mess for like the last 2-ish months or so, and every single time we tried to do something with this body kit, it gave us more problems. But we're not gonna talk about that in today's video. What we are gonna do is we are gonna get the wheels. I'm putting this bolt back over here. That's what I'm looking at, because I just don't know if we need that or not. But we are going to just get the car to a state in which we can drive it down the drag strip, because I got a couple competitions with the boys in blue to race the S2000 and to beat everything with it, which by the way, that's gonna be like the next video. It's gonna be racing the 430, the S2000, the Gloria, the scooter, the GRD6, all of it. But in the next video, you guys will wanna subscribe because we're gonna be talking about just why this car has been such a pain in the ass. But Ray loves it. Ray loves working on all of my cars.
This is his favorite car I've ever worked on.
He's worked on all of them. He loves all of them to death. And I'm one of his greatest customers, most patient, calm, collected, really low expectations.
Always shows up on time.
Always shows up on time. I showed up on time today.
It's because I was driving.
The final message you sent me was 2:30, so you missed it.
To be fair, I did tell him 1:30 initially. That car's in like 7 pieces.
Yeah, that's not the shape I expected it to be in, I'm gonna be honest.
I expected it to be in like maybe 2 pieces. No, 3. I was expecting the side skirts to maybe not be on. I wasn't expecting the rear fenders to not be cut. We need the fenders cut, otherwise the wheels don't fit. We can't race down the drag strip tomorrow because the whole rear end's gonna cut off.
So another last minute bill, huh? Just one more.
Please take me to AutoZone. Ray, how much did you cut? Be honest. Oh my God, it's all gone.
I put it back together after I cut it off.
You're the best. Not saying that that's how the kits should be, but hey, can I have that piece? Did you throw it away already? I need it for my collection.
This one?
Yes.
Both of those pieces?
Yes.
Collection of stuff that came off of your S2000.
Hey, look at that. It almost looks done. This is mine?
That's yours. It's probably hot.
There's so much I want to tell you about this car, but it's not gonna make it in this video because we still gotta go. We gotta still put the wheels and tires on. We gotta go to Bumgarts, put the tires on the wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's and VR Forged wheels. But please stay tuned for the actual video talking about where we're at with this car and what we're gonna do with it, because I think we're further back than we thought. I just feel like you eventually reach a point when you're jacking up a car where it's just a straight violation.
That's all she's got.
You saw lift it.
This looks good though.
I think I gotta get that under.
This one's really
Okay, this is the moment of truth. On a 1 to 10, how happy are you with my car?
Obviously a 9.75.
That's good, because this thing look a little bloated. It looks a little bloated. The most unflattering angle right here. Look at that. Now we gotta see if it'll get home, because we still gotta put wheels and tires on it. And thanks, Ray, for getting her.
Yep, it's definitely not how we envisioned it leaving, but
It's like a
done.
In my opinion, if you just like, if you look at it and squint, it's kind of like a 10-footer.
I was using my squinty safety glasses before, so it's a very similar procedure.
What's with that gap?
Why are you calling it out immediately?
Just because you drive a BMW?
I think it's time I actually show you guys the wheels that are supposed to be on the S2000, even though it's been a good long while. So of course, I went with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's in here. These are two 65/35 R18s, and then I also went with two 85/30 which meant it was time to go to my favorite place in the whole wide world. I'm pretty sure eventually I'm gonna get blacklisted. What up, what up? I'm so sorry for bothering you on a Saturday. No, I'm not.
Really?
No, we have to get these on for tomorrow. Is that okay? Why do you sound so tired?
It was a long night of video games last night, people.
Look at that. Never underestimate a car guy's ability to pack a vehicle. So far, first one, 9 wide front, needs an ounce of weight, which is pretty cool. We know the Michelins are probably one of the best tires you can get in terms of dealing with any sort of balancing issues, because they do actually test every single tire before it goes out. Which is one of the reasons I love Michelin so much. Damn, Daniel. You did okay.
Doing all right, John.
Yeah, I would say this is like a
Mediocre.
And if you guys are looking to get your wheels and tires mounted, check out over the bum guards. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning, because why else would you be a car person if you didn't procrastinate until the last minute? I got less than 30 minutes. I'm putting these wheels on, but I already put the fronts on and they look insane. Check this out, guys. Look at how freaking good those look. I hope I can clear and drive normally, but we'll find out on that one. But look at that. It's literally perfect. And my favorite part about this whole thing is that VR Forged allowed me to go in and custom engrave Martini Works on the wheels, which I think is just the coolest thing. It's like the one custom thing I asked for. It's super cool. These wheels are insanely light. 18x9s in the front, 18x10s in the rear. We've got two 65/35, two 85/30 ZR18s in the rear, and both of them weigh damn near flat 40 pounds. So let's see if the wheels clear. And they are about as tight as humanly possible. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to raise the rear to make those actually work. All right, so now we're gonna see what Bekah thinks, because Bekah loves this car. It's her favorite one out of all of them. Bekah, come on out.
Oh, it looks really good. I actually really like it.
Oh, I thought you were gonna.
I thought it was gonna be, no, I thought it was gonna be like 7 different colors and like, I don't know why, but I was thinking like tape, like patching it together kind of thing. And this looks really good.
Wait, really?
No, seriously.
Where does it, where?
This right here, you know, I just don't think that's ever gonna fit together and that's okay. It's kind of like, I love wide bodies. I love them. So I think this looks, I like it better than before. It was shit before. You don't like, was I supposed to react and like?
If you're single and you're looking for a girlfriend, wide body your car. It is ever so slightly better. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, so it didn't make it, and that means we have to do the entire thing at the Wisconsin International Raceway, which is for the drag strip, the neck, it's whatever, it doesn't matter. Anyway, we're gonna go get this thing taken care of because I am not letting this thing beat me. We're putting the wheels on that car, so help me God.
Oh my goodness, look at that. The one that's in there.
Okay, so the car is not ready that well, but we have the wheels and tires on the car, and the VR4s look insane. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's are the best tire ever, and I love them to death. So now, the only question is what's gonna happen with the kit, and how are we gonna finish it before winter? Which I'll follow up in another video. What we're gonna do though, is there's a drag strip right there, and we'll drag race this bad boy against all the other ones. So thank you so much for watching. We hope you stay tuned for the next video where I actually drag race all of the cars, including the Segway Super Scooter GT2. And we hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm AlexMartini. We will see you later. Adios, goodbye.